Although you can create a blank document in Canva, it's most well known for its templates. So with the templates, you can go to the search bar and you can search for a particular topic that you're looking for, and it will provide a variety of templates to choose from. You can also go up to templates at the top and look by category. So if you wanted a particular presentation or poster or flyer, you could click through there and see all the templates they have available. On the left side, it gives you the ability to filter through different styles, themes, even colors. If you find one that you want to use, you can click on it and it will preview any pages that it includes in it, the colors, things like that. And if you decide you want to use it, you just choose Customize this template and it will open in the Canva editor.